Hello, in Year 4 we've been learning in project work about fashion and art, and today in our assembly we will be showing you some of the things we've learned.
Jackson Pollock was an American artist. He is considered a master of modern art. Pollock is best known for the drip technique he used to create his figures. Rather than using a bar, he poured or dripped paint into chemicals. Kandinsky was one of the most important 20th century artists. He was a major figure in modern art and painted some of the first modern abstract works. Ken Dunn is an Australian artist who focuses on different landmarks. His work is simple, brightly colored, but effective. He paints extremely quickly as it allows him to capture the constant changes of life. Ken Dunn finds inspirational in his immediate surroundings, whether it is for his patterns or colors.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Ellen News. Today we're going to interview the famous artist Ethan. What is the subject of your piece of art?
Mostly colors and shapes.
What inspired you to create this piece of art?
I think Wesley Kandinsky, because I like his pieces of art.
Okay. How does this make you feel?
Happy,
Why?
because of all the bright colors on it.
Well, that's a wrap. See you next time on Ellen News. John.
Hi, Mishka.
Hi, Andy.
Nice to meet you. Today I'm going to be asking you some questions about your artwork. First, who inspired you?
Ken Dunn's an Australian artist, and he inspired me to draw this piece of art because I think people can have a very different perspective when it comes to drawing skylines around the world.
Great. And also, can you show us what your recent artwork was?
This is my most recent artwork, and this is a painting of the Singapore skyline.
Great. One last question. How did you apply that old color?
I use watercolors because I think that when you apply watercolors to paintings, it can give different layers of light and dark colors.
That's great, Mishka.
Bye!
Bye!
Hi everyone, my name is Felix and I am here today to interview the famous abstract artist Ivy. What is the subject of this piece of art?
My subject is Day of the Light.
How does it make you feel?
It makes me feel very happy.
If you could hang this anywhere in school, where would you hang it?
I
Why?
would hang it on the hallway because everybody can see it.
Bye everyone.
Hello, I'm going to interview a famous artist called Zoya. She's going to show her piece of art.
Hello, I am Zoya. This is my piece of art. It is inspired by the Willow pattern story, a very tragic love story but still has a happy ending.
What did you use for design?
I used blue pens only and pencil for drawing.
Why did you use blue pen?
I used blue pen because I tried to make it like the pottery of China and then I tried to make smooth hand like the pottery.
Hi everyone, my name is Imogen and I'm here today to interview the famous abstract artist Mateo. What is the subject of your piece of art?
My subject of my piece of art is countries around the world.
What inspires you to create this?
It inspired me by traveling across the world and
How does this make you feel?
it makes me feel happy and relaxed because I love traveling the world.
If you could hang this anywhere in school, where would you hang it? Why?
I would hang it in the Cooper Hall because normally a lot of people come to the Cooper Hall and see things, so I think that's a perfect spot.
If this artwork could make sound, what sound would you hear?
I think you could hear the sound of nature and animals.
Hello, Pippa.
I'm Zoe.
Well, thank you so much for coming today.
It's wonderful to be here.
Okay, I have about 4 questions for you. The first question is what is your most recent art?
My most recent artwork is this artwork here, inspired by Kenda.
Oh, interesting. Well, what type of paint did you use?
I used watercolor paint because it's very easy to see on this type of canvas, and also because it's very easy to blend, so I could make the background.
Oh, well, and last but not least, tell me more about this Ken Dunn. I mean, who is he?
Well, he is from Australia. He's Australian, and he in most of his artworks, he uses very simple shapes, but he uses bold colors. So if you would look at most of his artwork, you wouldn't see that much detail. And also, he doesn't use dark colors. He uses festive and bright colors, unless he is trying to paint a night sky
Wow. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Take a look at some of the artwork that we've been doing in Year 4, inspired by a range of different artists.
We are now going to read a story that is called The Fashionista by Maxime Beneva Art. Some dress days are mud stomping, don't care what you wear. You puddle splashed and drunky dashed with bed rumpled hair.
Some days, Mom makes you go, Brother makes sister.
But on other days, boo, strut it, you're a fashionista.
A fashionista digs fashion. That means they think it's cool fun. They dress up and stand out and show off the looks they love.
1.
Be your big, bold self. Brave and bright, brilliant, blue head. Deliciously different, dramatic, and daring.
Rock a ruby dress.
Let them know you're queen.
Royal ruffle, puff, puffle, right down to the seams.
Tap dapper in a jacket. Fancy suit or bow tie. Is this you waltzing by? Looking mighty big time.
Put on your fashion, wear your heart on your sleeve. You're a fashionista. Work it, rock it, believe.
Some dozy days, huh? Who cares what you wear? You stay lazy in pajamas. And don't comb your hair.
You're a whatever mess of crimple, crumple, and curl. And you so what? Don't care about the fashion world.
Some days are can't be bothered.
Comfy careless.
Just blend in.
1.
But on other days, to bang, you're the fashion king. Be particular about patterns. Save up all your stripes. And cookily, carefully, long layer all the lines.
Knee-high brown boots can be favorites for weekends. Tuck your denim jeans in so the whole world can see them.
1.
Handsome hatted in high harmony, or silly billy socks with an elegant afro or clip-colored locks.
Low down low, lipstick. Let it shimmery shine, sparkly special, and delightfully divine.
1.
Fancy falling in feathers, in that lazy grin. Find something you love, fast, make it your thing.
Wear your wardrobe however. Homemade, hand-me-down, or brand new.
1.
Fashion your feelings, happy flower your bloom. Shout it, loud roaring, big, or sing it shy like a whisper.
I'm a fashionista.
We love this story because it is the power of self-expression. Self-expression doesn't just come from the clothes we wear. It can shine through dance, music, and art.
There are so many ways to share who you are. A bit about your personality and how you're feeling.
So Dover, be confident, shine, and express yourself.
Thank you for watching
our
this
assembly.
assembly.